In this video, I will discuss the security technology of Acura Integra 2023. Integra is equipped with a suite of innovative safety and driver-assistive technologies that help enhance driver awareness, avoid collisions, and mitigate the severity of an impact. It has a collision mitigation braking system called a CMBS. CMBS helps alert driver when a potential frontal impact is detected and can even apply the brakes to help avoid or reduce the collision impact. I've seen images how it's works. And Acura's Integra 2023 has another safety tools is a road temperature mitigation. It's called RDM. RDM allows the driver to an international temperature from a detected lane or roadway. The feature is able to apply strict torque to help keep the driver on the roadway. And another is adaptive cruise control. It's a SSC with low speed flow. SSC helps reduce driver fatigue by maintaining a set speed and distance from vehicle detected ahead. The low speed feature will bring the vehicle to a complete stop if the detected vehicle slows to a stop. In Acura Integra 2023 is another security technology. It's lane keeping assist system. It's called a LKAS. LKAS applies string assistance at higher speeds, helping to keep your Acura centered in the detected lane. And another tool is a pedestrian detection. The pedestrian detection system is part of CMBS, collision migration braking system, and it is used to help detect pedestrians and alert the driver with audio and visual warning. It may apply the brakes if needed to help avoid a collision. And the most important and is common technology in Acura Integra 2023 is traffic sign recognition. Traffic sign recognition detects speed limit signs and display the information on the dash and the available head-up display. And it's another safety technology is traffic jam assist, and it can aid with steering low speeds and will bring your vehicle to a complete stop, then resume traveling again the traffic ahead.